In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assignees in ClickUp. This is a really simple but important skill because assigning tasks to specific people is what keeps your projects organized and moving forward. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're in ClickUp and navigate to your list view. The list view is where you see all your tasks laid out in a table-like format, usually with columns like status, due date, and assignee. If you're not already there, look for the space, folder, or list where your task lives, and then open it in list view. Next, find the specific task you want to assign to someone. This might be a new task you just created, or an existing task that doesn't have an owner yet. Click directly on the task name to open the task details panel. This will usually slide out from the side or pop up in the center, showing more information about that task. Inside the task details, look for the Assignees section. In most layouts, this sits near the top of the task, alongside things like the status and due date. You'll see a label for assignees, and next to it, an empty field or a placeholder icon if nobody has been assigned yet. Click on that empty field. This opens a small menu or drop-down where you can choose who will be responsible for the task. Now, from the list of people that appears, click on the person you want to add as the assignee. This list shows members who are part of the workspace or have access to that particular list. You can usually select one person, or if your workspace settings allow it, multiple people. As soon as you click on a name, it will be added to the task as an assignee. There's no need to hit save separately. ClickUp updates this automatically. Once you've done that, close the task details to return to your main list view. Look back at the row for that task, and you'll see the assignee field is no longer empty. It should now display the avatar or name of the person you just selected. That confirms the assignee has been successfully added, and that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly assign ownership to any task in ClickUp, helping your team stay clear on who's doing what